Go and greet grandma. It's been long you haven't seen her. That's like that. Sika Oniho.
Wherever you go, I know you'll find your way back home, and I will be.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? If this is your first time here, welcome to this amazing family. Please, have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe to my channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I don't take your love for granted. So today is Friday and I'm starting a new vlog. I'm taking you guys along. Okay, can you see her? See where she's running around. I'm going to show you what you saw. This is my outfit. I don't know if you can see. Hey. So I'm wearing this skirt that I made. It's still available in different fabrics. Okay, so if you are interested, let's go. I'm going to get my fabrics. Hello ma, good afternoon. How are you? Go and greet grandma. It's been long you haven't seen her. Go and say good afternoon to auntie. Go and say good afternoon to mama. Go. Say good afternoon. And that is nice from this. The 6 years is how much?
120. I'll give it to you at 105. 150. I said
I will try. Why?
how are you?
Sika Oniho.
Oh, Sika.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you one of my big challenges, like one of the big challenges I'm having here in Ghana, getting my shoe size, especially if I want the slippers or a sandal. Let me show you this one now. Like, this one is so painful. I got when I got home, my husband gave it to me, that he bought it, that he liked it, like he saw it and it's so beautiful, he couldn't let go. He said he's going to buy it. I tested it and it's not my size. Let me show you. Look at these beautiful slippers. This slippers is so beautiful, and just look at yeah. Look at, oh my god. You put it, and this is size 40. This is size 40. One woman that I buy my slippers and my shoes from one time she was explaining to me that it's because of Nigerians that she brings big sizes, that Nigerians have big feet. And like I've come to realize that she's actually saying the fact, because you won't see size, like the highest you will be able to find, like, and before you could even find that size 40 is size 41, and size 41 is UK size 8, right? Before you will even find that size 41, you will do like this. I have like two slippers that I needed to return because I bought it and I was like, I'm going to try, it's going to enter. At the end of the day, it didn't enter my legs, like big feet. You push a pity us. This one pained me so much. So my daughter says it's her size. Let me show you. Just look at how beautiful it is. Baby, walk, let's see. Walk. When I see slippers that are big sizes, I always grab it because you will never, like, it's very difficult for you to find such again, and when you see it, it's so expensive. This one is so painful. It's so painful. Like, why are Nigerians the big feet or big feet people? Why do Nigerians have big feet? A lot of people that I have big feet, 41, 42, but you see comfortably some people here, they are 38, 36, and they, as in, when you get to the shop, you just see your size, you pick it and go home. But we suffer it. I'm ranting too much, right? Let's continue with this vlog. Your face not good. Hey.
living life and getting getting for my people.